My fellow moneymakers, this is going to be my last video because, of course, my daughter is now sleeping and I have to go to bed. But, of course, let me show you activating the welcome bonus to receive $30. Let me share my screen, show you guys this very quickly, and then we're gonna go off to bed. First of all, you're gonna need to have that KIC. Let me put that. We're gonna go to funds and you're gonna see here welcome bonus 30 USD program. You can see that you've already received and activated the promo code. You're going to be needing a trading account, an SMS verification, an address verification, and a passport verification. And then they are going to send the $30 code to your mail. This is directly tradable, so that means that you're gonna have another $30 to work with. This is, of course, I would say without limitations, because you can trade it. You cannot withdraw it because it's not your money. It's a welcome bonus. So this concludes my video. Let's just go 1 second, guys. Let me pause this 1 second. And then I'll show you the email. Okay, guys, let me share my screen quickly. And as you can see here, you receive it. I received it in my spam. How do I receive a $30 bonus? It's all explained here, how to activate it, what you have to do, what to do with it, and of course, how to keep working with it. Go to additional funds, enter the code, choose an account to transfer the amount to, and read the rules. The welcome bonus can be received into ProCent and Pro accounts. You can only earn the welcome bonus once, and the welcome activation code can only be used within 30 days after you receive it. So take that in account. Of course, this was just a quick video show you how to make a little bit extra after depositing and KYC. I'm off for today as I've made a lot of videos and I want to wish you a wonderful day. Gonna be back tomorrow with an event where I'm going to talk about my own upcoming project. Stay safe, be blessed, and meet you on the flip side.